Hello dear teachers, this is Mr. Agam. I wanted to show you quickly how you can add your students to your roster on Reveal Math. So this is one of my classes I added for myself. It's at Reveal Geometry. This assignment part, you can do online assignments here. You are mostly using the course already, where you show the online things and you use it for your teaching. Kind of slow internet. So if you go to the assignment, you can make an assignment on your own, add assignment, online questions, and these are all the question banks. These are the test banks, which is classroom test. There are multiple test banks on each of them. Let's say you are on the geometry topic 5. So there's a module review, test form A, put it all together, vocabulary activity, form B, form C. Form A is the easiest one, I believe, A1, A2, and A3. B and C are a lot more challenging, so depending on your students, if you want to differentiate and assign different tests, you can do it here. There's a module pre-test, which I would recommend as well. Vocabulary test, it's also a good one. So let's say I want to assign module review. You can go through the questions and see how many questions there are. You can actually preview the question and do it on your own, which is mostly recommended. There are 25 questions. You can remove it, delete it, add more if you want to add more questions. I'm just going to assign this. And one more thing, I would highly recommend you to preview before you do the assignment. So let's go back in. So when you click on the student preview, you can take it as a student. So there are 25 questions. If you sit and do, it'll probably take you about 10 minutes, not more than 15 minutes. So during your planning, just take the assessment and see how much time you spend on it. Multiply that by 3 or 4. That is, how slow your students should be able to finish it. And you will also know if you went over these questions, if you want to ask about it or not, if you want to skip it or not. So let's go back. I want it from today until, let's say I want to give you as a Thanksgiving break work. It's not that I recommend it. Time limit, unlimited, let's say 2 hours. You can share with the Google Classroom. Student may not be assigned. There are additional things here that you can do. Well, I don't really have a Google Classroom for this class, so I'm just gonna close this part, but you can assign to your Google Classroom. Well, how do you add your student roster? You see, I don't have any students, but students can enroll in this class with class code. Instead of editing and adding students on your own one by one and typing their students, the easiest way is for your students to enroll it. So from there, go to connected. So this is how your students do. So you see, if your students are clever, they don't have to do anything. Well, she is already in Mr. Garcia's class, but let's say you want to add to a different class. Just click join a class and give the class code and submit, and there you go. It is very useful. Please help each other to do it so, and if you need more help, let us know, the coaches, and we'll help you. Okay, bye.